Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken with potatoes, okay? So these are all the ingredients. Salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce, and then honey, potatoes, onions, butter, garlic, bell pepper. Okay? To start, add butter. Let's fry the chicken first. Chicken, I put black pepper and salt both sides. This side and this side. So black pepper and salt. Okay. Okay. It's not super hot yet, but the butter, it becomes hot soon. Okay. Butter and I rub with butter, salt and black pepper in both sides. Okay guys, look at that one guys. So we're gonna wait that one. We're gonna fry that one first, and then when it's done, we're gonna ato siyang balhinon, and then set aside, and then we're gonna add some of the ingredients later. Okay, they're cooked. The chicken are cooked already, and then we're gonna set aside the chicken first. Okay, and then we're gonna look at, we're done. Okay, so saute the garlic. Ako ini siya gikuhan sa butter guys, kaya daghan na tayo itong butter. Okay. Okay guys, and then the onion. That bell pepper also. And the next, okay, the potatoes. We're gonna add the chicken guys. Okay, I use leg quarters, so I slice the leg quarters and then the leg and the thighs. Okay, okay guys, and then we're gonna add the sauce. Okay guys, the sauce is our 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, oyster sauce, soy sauce, chili, and honey. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay, Okay, I just put 1/4 a cup. And we'll be right back when the meat is tender. Okay, we'll cover first. And let it, okay, guys, it's already, wait a second, 15 minutes. Okay, guys, it's already 15 minutes. And the potatoes, I'm sure that it's cooked now. I wanna try to see, okay, if it is cooked. Or cooked na good. Okay. Dapat na ito ang. It's super yummy. Okay, guys. This is our chicken with potatoes. And then, or chicken and potatoes. Okay, guys. If you taste it and you can see that it's lacking of salt or honey, it depends upon your taste, and then you can add little by little, and if you got it, that's it. And then this one, I did not add anything, it's just good enough to my taste. Okay, guys, so it's done. Our chicken and potatoes is this one, and then potatoes and a little sauce. Okay, it's off because there's no more sauce. Okay, just a little sauce, guys. Kay lami kaayo. Okay, okay, guys, so this is it. The potatoes is very good. And now the chicken. Oh. The chicken is yummy, guys. Oh my god. Just be careful. You need to eat not so much rice because it's not good to eat so much rice. So try to put rice by measuring it. If you need only 1/4 cup, okay, just put the rice and that's it. Because it's super yummy and you need so much rice. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.